I can't believe that BMW is at it again, egregiously cash grabbing by purposely sabotaging people who want to work on their cars by making their own specialized screw heads that you need a special key to loosen. Seriously, I'm hoping this patent doesn't become real. And you know what? I won't even lie here. The idea of making a screw cap with your logo, is it cool? Absolutely. This is so cool, which makes me even more mad about it. But BMW is not doing this because it's cool. I feel like the underlying reason is because manufacturers just hate when people work on cars themselves, probably because that means that their dealers aren't able to work on them. Now, is this special screw head going to stop everybody from working on their BMW? Probably not, but will it make it one step closer to F it, I'll just take it to the dealer? Absolutely. Also creates an opportunity, obviously, for this specialized tool that you have to go to the dealer to buy that's probably going to cost like a couple $100 because that's what they do just for the sake of it. I would give them a little plausible deniability here and say, hey, maybe they're just trying to do something cool. But after that whole heated seat subscription debacle that I know I've brought up 1,000 times, BMW is on thin ice, and with a move like this, they're just choosing to dance on it right in front of us all.